Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, June 24th, 2013, and the U.S. market is closed. Well, Dow Jones took another hit today. This is looking grim. I think that earlier on in the day, Dow was down well over 200 points, and it came back a little and ended up closing down 139. But that's not exactly a rally to brag about. In addition to having horrible markets in the last few days, we had a terrible incident that started on Thursday night. You know, I do quite a bit of work with computers, and I had the brilliant idea Thursday night of swapping out the motherboard on my main computer. And I've done this many times before. Well, I got in there and just everything got screwed up. And so I had to switch over to my backup computer. I had to try and switch a hard drive. That got screwed up. And by 3 a.m. Friday morning, I realized I wasn't going to have anything to collect data with or to trade with. And I actually thought for a little bit that I'd fried two expensive computers. Anyway, fortunately that didn't happen, but we had no data on Friday. So what I ended up doing, I had three positions coming in. I got using, just internet data. I got out of the two losers and held on to one because it looked really good in Velocity Shares. So that's what I came in with this morning, and then, of course, the market collapsed, but Velocity Shares, fortunately, did really well. Unfortunately, we got in a couple of other positions that don't look too well, but we're still holding over $3,000 in open trade equity, which isn't too bad on a day the market fell 139 points. Anyway, I don't have much in the way of show of charts, but let's take a look at what I do have to show.
Okay, I thought just for laughs I'd show you what my Dow chart looks like, and that's why I'm not going to talk about it. As I say, we really had problems starting Thursday night last week. I think I'll get this all straightened out by tomorrow, and so I should have pretty decent charts right then. I will show you just one trade because this is our main trade that has our head above water today. This is in Velocity Shares, DGAZ. And you can see here, back on Thursday, we bought this thing after only 30 minutes in the day, and it really didn't do too much on Thursday. Friday, and this is the thing, we're missing the data on Friday. You can't see it. There really didn't get this big gap that we're showing. Friday, Velocity Shares had a good up move, and that's why I kept it. And then coming into today, because I don't have this data, the system says keep it. I'm just going to go with what the system says. It looks really good. Velocity Shares is up over $5,500, so that looks real good. Happy to have one decent trade after all this horrible stuff that has been happening. Anyway, this is Trader Bob, and I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.